Hello all, welcome to the ANSYS tutorials. In this video, we are going to conduct the stress analysis on a cylindrical pipe. The pipe diameter is given as 1.5 meter and the thickness is 1.5 centimeter. The pipe is subjected to an internal pressure of 1.2 e power 6 Pascal. We are going to find out the hoop stress and longitudinal stress developed. I have modeled the quarter section of the cylindrical pipe using SolidWorks. Now we are going to conduct the analysis. Open ANSYS workbench. Choose static structural as the analysis type. Now right click on the geometry. Choose import geometry and browse. Now select the IGS file and import it. Next right click on the model. Select edit. Now click the mesh, right click on that and select generate mesh. Select static structural. Next I am going to apply the boundary conditions. Right click on that, choose insert, select displacement. Now select the face selection tool and select the face normal to the x-axis and fix it in the x direction. So you can see that I am fixing it in the normal x direction. Now again select displacement, choose the face normal to the z direction. Click apply and fix it in the z direction. Next select displacement, select control and choose these two faces, click apply. So as it is normal to the y direction, I am fixing it in the y direction. Next I am going to apply the pressure. So select pressure, then select this face, click apply, and the magnitude of pressure is 1.2 e power 6 Pascal. Now right click on the solution and solve it. Now the solution is done. To view the result, right click on that, select insert, and if you want you can visualize the equivalent von Mises stress. I am going to plot the hoop stress and the longitudinal stress. So go to probe and select stress. Then select any one vertex here. So choose the vertex selection tool, select this vertex, click apply and normal along x direction, because normal along x direction will give you the hoop stress. Next, to plot the longitudinal stress, go to probe, stress tool, select this vertex, click apply, and to view the stress in the longitudinal direction, it is normal along y direction. So choose normal along y axis. Okay. Right click on that, choose evaluate all results. Now the hoop stress magnitude is 6.2 e power 7 Pascal and the longitudinal stress magnitude is 1.7 Pascal. You can also visualize the equivalent stress. So the magnitude of the equivalent stress is 5.8 e power 7 Pascal. So the circumferential stress value is greater than the equivalent stress value. To save the results, go to images, choose image to file, and you can provide the file name and you can save it. So if your problem comes under thin cylinder, then we need to calculate the hoop stress instead of the equivalent stress.